It is Friday night and we're gonna go do some DoorDash orders. All right, so we're starting at 6:30 and as you can see here, all this red and the $2 plus bonus. So we're gonna hit dash now. We're gonna go till, let's go till 10. Okay. All right, okay. Gotta make sure we're ready for everything. Charged phone, enough gas, red card. Just wanna make sure. Hot bag, yes. I have that somewhere back there. Start dashing. I agree to the terms. All right, we're just gonna wait to see if anything pops up. All right, so we have our first order. It's gonna be a total of 3.1 miles, and let's get going. All right, I've arrived at Five Guys. Slide, see what happens next. Okay, so we got 5 things here. Fries, cheeseburger, hamburger, cheeseburger. Wow, okay. All right, here I go. All right, so we just picked up the food. Let me just slide this over. We have every item in order. All right.
Did you check?
Guess we should.
Yeah.
Let's check. All right, so we just picked up her order. Slide to the right. I already checked the bag, as you should do.
You have to check all the
check everything. Oh, my mistake. I had to check everything off. Here we go. Woo! Got it. Got them all. Yep, that too. Oh, there we go. All right, now we can slide it. Oh, now we have to deliver it over there.
You can just blur it out in the video, right?
Yeah. Deliver by 7:40. Slide after delivery. Okay, let's go. All right, so while I was in there, all I had to do was walk up to the counter and just said, I'm here to pick up an order for blank. And then the guy was just like, oh, DoorDash is here. So that's pretty cool. So now we're on our way to go drop off the food. All right, so for that last order, we made $8 and some change in addition to a $7 cash tip. So that was pretty easy. And we got there before 7:40. Let's see here, we started this at 6:30 and we only accepted that order at about like 7:05. So that's pretty good, $15 for that. And we only drove about 6.5 miles so far. All right, order number 2. I think this is a total of 6.9 miles. Here we go. All right, so we just picked up the order from a very nice restaurant and I walked in there with my sweatshirt. Everyone had their suit and ties. Felt a little awkward, but that's quite all right. We'll be there soon. All right, so we're ending this evening having completed 2 orders at this point. We started the evening at 7:30 and right now it is 9:36. So we're gonna be ending our dash here. All right, so we're ending our dash a little early tonight. It is currently 9:40. We were scheduled till I think about 10 or 10:30 on that and dash. Yes. And there we go. We're done for the evening. It looks like we earned $20.31 in addition to our $7 tip. So $27.31 for not too long. I'll add up the total amount of hours that we actually drove and we ended the evening with about 16 miles.